Location, location, location. Living in Vero Beach is one thing, but living close to everything makes all the difference.
In the lakes at Waterway Village, you're only minutes away from shopping, dining, Cleveland Clinic, Riverside Park, and the beach.
And when you get home, you'll appreciate the peace and comfort this property offers.
This well-kept CBS home features 3 bedrooms plus a den, 2 bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet of living space. The kitchen is designed for gathering with friends and family, with white shaker cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large center island.
And beyond the home itself, this gated community offers amenities designed for Florida living. If you're looking for a resort-style pool and spa, fitness center, and tennis, pickleball, and bocce courts, the clubhouse has it all.